Let's quickly talk about Wrike business plan. So in today's conversation, I want to do a full in-depth review to reveal to you whether you need the Wrike business plan at all. What are the pros? What are the cons? I want to speak also about the pricing and everything else that you need to really understand. So here is a glance into the Wrike business plan software tool. So when you think about Wrike, I don't want you to think about a business plan software tool necessarily, because Wrike is originally a project management tool. But the tool works really well with business planning. It does have a business plan software capability because it gives you the tools and the resources you need to help you gather and compare your data, work in a collaborative environment if you can have multiple teams working on the same project. And Wrike makes it a lot easier to start your business plan with its collaboration tools, business plan templates, drag and drop interface, and goal management features. Another benefit of using Wrike is to build your plan is that it gives you ideas and goals from multiple views. For example, you can have a Gantt chart, a calendar, or a board view. It really depends on you. And so it's really great. And so you can actually map out exactly what your business goals are in a project. You can also invite teammates. Yeah, you can invite teammates to collaborate, and you can actually have them message business partners to discuss everything that you need to have discussed. In addition to that, you can also export your data when you are ready to pull all the details into a presentation to hand over to, let's say, potential investors. It can be lenders, it can be grant makers, and what have you. And so this is kind of cool. So when you think about Wrike, I want you to think about a work management tool. So you have like a collaboration, work management, and project management platform that enables its users to manage and track tasks, projects, schedules, and other processes dynamically in real time. So this is kind of cool. By the way, boss, welcome back to the show. It's a wonderful pleasure to have you here to discuss with you the Wrike business plan software tool. So what we love about Wrike is that all kinds of constituencies, all kinds of users can use Wrike with no problem. Whether you are a small business, you are a new business, you are an established business, no problem at all. As long as you need a tool to help you create a business plan and collaborate with others on the financial and operational goals, Wrike will be the right solution for you, okay? Plus, it really provides value after you finalize your business plan because it's a great pick for a project management tool. Let me talk to you about the pros and cons here. So when we think about Wrike, what are the pros? What are the cons? So let's first start with the positive. What are the pros? So the platform includes on-platform team messaging. The tool also offers business plan templates to get you started. It has a free plan option. It doubles as a project management software tool, so you can plan an idea and build on it in the same app. You have road mapping ability, multiple views. You have Gantt, calendar, or board. You have a business plan templates included. We also love the fact that you have goal management via projects and tasks. A free plan is available, and you have unlimited projects in the free account. You have unlimited subtasks with unlimited levels of nesting. You have a special customization for, let's say, marketing, creative teams, and professional services. You have 20 to 30 free external collaborators. This is kind of cool, okay? But overall, what we love about Wrike is that it's first and foremost a powerful project management and work collaboration software tool for businesses of all sizes. Okay, its work intelligence suite utilizes AI to create tasks and subtasks automatically from comments, documents, and more. What are the cons here? So when you think about Wrike, the cons are pretty straightforward. So the premium plans are more expensive than the competitions. Wrike does not include financial planning tools, and there are no pitching tools. There are no in-depth financial tools. I mean, this is really important. And the Gantt chart view is available only in paid plans. And you have the in-app timer for time tracking. It's only available on business plan or higher. And one thing I want to say here is that Wrike's cost can be a limiting factor for mid-sized teams or smaller teams when cheaper options are available. Also, it provides financial management options such as budgeting and invoicing in high-end plans. So, just the bottom line here is that pricing can be a really a detriment for beginners. And one thing I want to say in general here is that Wrike overall is not great for beginners either. If you're a neophyte, you're not going to be able to use to use Wrike appropriately. You have limited mobile functionality, so it is what it is. Let's talk about the competitive edge that Wrike does have, okay? And it's really important to understand that when we talk about Wrike in general, again, I want to insist on the fact that you have a primarily project management focused tool that you can use for business planning, and business plan writing, and other related projects. What I want to say, and the bottom line here is that we love the fact that Wrike actually helps you foster a collaborative environment. So, by the way, boss, I want to remind you of today's topic. This is a Wrike business plan software review. I'm giving you all the pros and cons of this software, tool, so you have exactly what you're getting yourself into. So when we look at the competitive edge that Wrike has, you need to understand, Wrike actually derives its powerful value through its work intelligence suite. So this suite actually leverages artificial intelligence and machine learning to predict and manage project risks proactively, create tasks and subtasks automatically, streamline collaboration, handle digital asset creation and management, communicate quickly and effectively through automated response suggestions. This is really good because if you are looking at it from a business plan writing sort of project management perspective, having this sort of all these tasks instills some efficiency, some accountability in the whole process. So this is really great, and you can use Wrike in several capacities. Let's say if you run a professional services agency, or you want a project management and collaboration software tool for your marketing, creative, product development, or business operations team, Wrike has highly customized features that are not available in any other project management app. Okay, and so Wrike is also an excellent choice for hyper growth teams that need powerful project management, business planning, work collaboration, and advanced analytics tools to manage complex projects or a portfolio of complex projects. So this is really cool. And so we love the fact that Wrike is constantly adding new capabilities. They're adding new functionalities, new modules. We love that a lot. So Wrike, for all intents and purposes, in our view, is the right choice for teams that value ease of collaboration as much as project management itself. It has a plethora of features appropriate for teams of all sizes and project complexity. Okay, and one thing you need to remember here is that the only problem that we found is just the price. That's all. Let me talk to you about the features here. So when you analyze Wrike, what are the core features that you want to pay attention to? Now, although Wrike is not like our best business management software tool out there, it's a strong contender. Okay, and so it has some awesome features to help you manage your business plan projects, as well as a task outside the purview of any project. So, for example, you have role assignment features. So Wrike has 4 access roles. You have full, editor, limited, and read-only to manage access. However, the enterprise plan offers up to 10 roles. Read-only access permissions are an excellent way to invite external or internal stakeholders who need to be aware of project progress, especially if you are working on a business plan. Okay, there is a caveat though. Role permissions can be set as at project or folder level only, not task level. You also have Gantt charts. So Gantt charts are available only for paid plans, and Wrike offers a dynamic interactive Gantt charts that help you create milestones, manage dependencies, and reschedule tasks in bulk via drag and drop interface. So when you import tasks from spreadsheets or other project management applications, these dependencies get imported automatically, and you can communicate with your team members from right inside the Gantt chart view, sharing task links, attaching documents, and sending automated notifications for schedule changes. You also have software integrations. So Wrike offers 400 plus integrations with a wide range of productivity apps and tools. The high-end plans offer native Salesforce integration, NetSuite, and QuickBooks integrations via Wrike Integrate and Adobe Creative Cloud extension. What about the dependencies? Now, the test dependencies feature is available for all Wrike users who are working on business plans. It can be set from table view and Gantt charts. Of course, as Gantt charts are not available to free users, they can set dependencies only through the table view. There are 4 types of dependencies that can be set for any task using predecessors. You also have budgeting ability here. So budgeting is a critical component of project management especially when thinking about business plan writing, right? So although budgeting is a feature offered by many project management tools, Wrike offers it only to its pinnacle users. So you also have Wrike Marketing Insights, Wrike Integrates, Wrike Two-Way Sync, and Wrike Log. I want to quickly talk to you about the pricing here. So the thing here is that Wrike's work intelligence capabilities are available to all Wrike plans. It's just important to remember that. So and I want you to look right on the screen here to see what kind of plans and solutions you have with Wrike rather. And so what we have seen here is that depending on the plan that you go for, or depending on your configuration and analysis, you will realize that Wrike offers a total of 5 plans ranging from a basic free option all the way up to the top of the line enterprise options. So for more details, it's always better to actually contact Wrike directly, because the plans that I'm showing you, that I've showed you so far, were based as of the date of this show. Maybe you might be looking at, you might be watching this show 1 year from now, 1 month from now, 10 years from now. So you always want to contact Wrike first, okay? So you have the free, the professional, the business, the enterprise, and the pinnacle plan. And the pinnacle is like the top of the top, okay? So for the free plan, you have unlimited users, and for the professional, you have 2 to 25. For a business, you have 5 to 200. For enterprise, you have 5 to unlimited. And for pinnacle, you have the same thing, 5 to unlimited. In terms of storage space, for the free, you have 2 gigabytes per account. For professional, same thing. For business, you have 5 gigabytes per seat. For enterprise, you have 10 gigabytes per seat. For pinnacle, you have 15 gigabytes per seat. What about the views here? Now, for the free on the free account, you have table and Kanban style. For professional, you have table, Kanban, and dynamic Gantt charts. For a business, you have table, Kanban, dynamic Gantt chart, and calendar view. And for enterprise, you have the same thing, table, Kanban, dynamic Gantt chart, and calendar view. For pinnacle is the same thing. What about advanced reporting? You don't have that. That is not available on the free plan, on the professional plan, or the business plan. For the enterprise and pinnacle, you have that. You have Tableau integration, business intelligence application programming interface, so the BI API. Same thing for the pinnacle plan. You also have advanced analytics. So you can see that you have a constellation of I would say capabilities here. So this is really great. So again, you have to choose the plan that really works for you, but you have access to all the 5 plans. Let me talk to you about the extras here. This is important to understand that when you actually sign up for Wrike, for the business plan software tool, you have access to the capabilities of other modules and other work streams, so that you can customize to suit your specific goals. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. Today we are talking about I'm giving you a Wrike business plan software review. This is an in-depth review, so that you have a clear idea what you're getting yourself into if you want to actually buy or you want to subscribe to Wrike, the project management tool. So you have a Wrike for marketers. So what happens here is that Wrike has custom packages for marketing and creative teams. So these are designed to manage the entire marketing project lifecycle from a single collaborative workspace. We love that a lot. So you can use Wrike to gather and analyze marketing performance data from 50 different platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, and Google. You can customize your advertising channels, leverage marketing specific project templates, and tie it all together with your projects and tasks. And Wrike for marketers comes with the following. You have all Wrike business plan features: Wrike Proof add-on, Wrike Publish add-on, extension for Adobe Creative Cloud, marketing specific templates, and workspace. So this is really, really good. You also have a Wrike for professional services. So this is built for agencies. It helps teams manage projects for clients while ensuring that deliverables are met on time. So with Wrike for professional services, you can turn billable hours into revenue for your services agency. And the use case specific solution supports powerful resource management, automated workflows, time tracking, utilization analytics, real-time insights, and more. And Wrike actually offers ready-made professional services templates for things like client projects, meeting notes, project scheduling, proofing, and approvals, communication roles, and more. And the Wrike for Professional Services comes with all business plan features and the Wrike resource module. So this is kind of cool. And so in terms of, you have other add-on features that we love a lot. And so Wrike has add-on modules that can extend the functionality of your base plan. And some of these are included with specific packages like Wrike for marketers or Wrike for professional services. And so you have like Wrike resource, Wrike proof, Wrike publish, Wrike integrate, Wrike analyze, Wrike lock, and you have the two-way sync. So it is what it is. Let me quickly talk to you about the rivals here. So when you think about Wrike, obviously you don't have you have a constellation of other players in the industry, and Wrike is not the only one. It's not the only tool that actually is primarily a project management tool that you can use for business plan software writing. Business plan writing or business planning activities in general. Okay, and when you think about Wrike, you want to think about rivals such as Jira. You have a ClickUp and you have Asana. And it's really important to understand that all of those players, you can use them. They're project management tools that you can use for your business planning activities, okay? It's totally possible to see the right one that works for you. And so when we think about the Wrike versus Jira, now those two have excellent project management features. However, Wrike can be expensive for small teams. So if you have a large team and money is not an issue, the long list of features offered by Wrike is perfect for you. But for software development projects, Jira is the perfect choice as it is built on Agile and Scrum principles. And you can but Jira also lacks financial management features currently, but it's great if you want to write a business plan for a software development business, for example. And what about Wrike versus ClickUp? Now, both Wrike and ClickUp offer a long list of useful features for project management and work collaboration. But Wrike can feel expensive for small teams, and hence it's more suited for mid-sized to large businesses. On the other hand, ClickUp works well for small to enterprise level businesses. What about Wrike versus Asana? Now, Asana is a simple work management and project management tool for automating workflows, tracking project progress, and communicating with your team. But if you are looking for enterprise-grade features for project management and advanced analytics, Wrike is the one for you. And one thing I want to say here is that to remember that Wrike can be heavy on the pocket as compared to Asana, right? You need to choose between price and features to decide which tool is the best one for you. So it's all about looking for not just the project management tool that you can use in a business planning capacity, because see, all project management tools can be used in a business planning capacity, but some tools are better suited for business planning than others. And also, don't forget about the pricing elements here, okay? The cost element is really important, especially if you have a large team, because some of those SaaS providers, they actually charge you by users. So if you have to pay by users per month and you have a large team, then you have it, right? You have then that's how your prices actually go up. So you have to really be careful here. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. So let me do a quick recap here. So today I was giving you a Wrike business plan software review, and I gave you a glance into the whole solution. I give you the pros and cons, the competitive edge that we have, the features that we have, the pricing, the extras, and then I finally close today's conversation with the rivals. Thank you so much for your attention once again. God bless you. I'll see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.